This is a quick video to show you how to create profile pictures for each of your courses so that when students and yourself open up the courses, you'll see a specific picture. This makes it a lot easier visually for students to know what your course is, especially since we have some weird section numbers here. We can make a profile picture that actually says the course name and the hour number, just to clarify things for them and for you. I'm also going to show you how to move your current courses to the top of this tab so that you will see only, or at the very least, the current courses that you are working with. And we can kind of hide the other ones in case they don't go away. So first thing you want to do is click on My Courses so that you can see all of your current courses. This is also how you would go back to see any kind of archive courses. By doing that, you can actually take data from your previous classes, materials, anything you had created before, and transfer it over. I'll make another video for that into your current courses. So here are my current courses. I have a couple of duplicates here, so I would wait until this is fixed. But if you look to the right, there is a gray button here that says reorder courses. Once you click on a section, the easiest way to tell what hour it is to compare the attendance or the members of that course in Schoology to your Power School. Figure out what hour this is going to be, and then go to the profile picture over here to the left. We're going to be editing this picture so that we can create a visual for yourself and for your students, just to make things a little bit easier. Now, there are some pre-made pictures. You're welcome to use those. I like to personally make my own. So what I do is I go to Google and I search something like earth science icon, or algebra icon, or you may have to type in like English subject icon. And that will give you some pictures to pick from. When you save them to your computer, make sure you make it big first, and then do a right click to save that image into your downloads or somewhere else if you would rather. Keep in mind where you're saving it to, what it's named. And then you can go to a website called canva.com. This is a great website for creating things, even slides. But we're going to use, for this purpose, a template called Logo. And what that is it creates a square, which is perfect for a profile picture. And we're going to upload that picture that we just downloaded into this template. So here I'm going to create a blank one. You're welcome to take one that's already created and adjust it to your needs. But I'm going to start from scratch. Oh. All right. So in Canva, click on Uploads. You'll notice I have already some images that I've uploaded for other profile pictures in the past. You're going to choose from your device or your Google Drive if that's where you saved it to. We're going to find that picture and open it within Canva. Well, that's simply making it a usable picture, so I still have to click on this and drag it over into my workspace when it's done loading. There we go. Okay, and we'll adjust that to our liking. And then this is where you can add your own elements, text. and perhaps call this Earth. Oops, we'll need to make that a little bit smaller, huh? Try and make your letters and words as big as you can within the icon, since it will be smaller scale on Schoology. And then we're just going to try that again. Download this and save it to your downloads folder or Google Drive again. After you've saved this image, we'll be able to go back into Schoology and bring it up as the new profile picture. Again, you may want to add like first hour to that name, just to make things a little bit easier for yourself. All right, so now that I know what I'm going to be uploading here, I'm going to click Attach File. And this is within Schoology. Find that picture that I just saved. And you should see it change over there on the left. It might be useful, especially this year, to put the hour and even the marking period that you're working with as your icon. And then that way you could actually go through, and if all of the courses are still within Schoology and available to you, you could go ahead and do a profile picture for each one of those and just get it out of the way for next semester. Now, back to courses and my courses. You may see that class pop up here in the courses tab, but if it doesn't, again, there is a way that you can bring those current courses to the top. I'm going to click on reorder courses. And now that I have those icons to look at, those profile pictures to look at, I don't have to like memorize which section is my first hour. And I can find that picture and I can click and drag it to where I would like this course to go. You know, if it's my first hour, maybe it's the very first course I have. And then if you have other sections that you're not using, you can click those, drag them down, and eventually you'll see this line that says courses appear below. This line will not appear in the courses dropdown. That will simplify your view for you so that you are not looking at unnecessary courses that are going to be happening in the future. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me. I will be making new videos for Schoology throughout the year for you guys. So go ahead and email to request, and I'll do my best to get those out to you as soon as possible.